When you leave your customer's home after a pump install, does it look like this? A tangled mess of power cords on the ground with no way to tell what cord goes to which pump, controller, or float switch. When your customer makes the investment to have you, a plumbing professional, install a replacement pump, they expect the end result to be clean and organized. Is this unlabeled and unsecured jumble of cords the way you want your customer to remember you? Is this the professional image you want to project? We have the perfect solution, the Pro Series Cord Management Box. This durable clamshell box is a simple, inexpensive way to wrangle and organize power, pump, and float switch cords. The box comes with handy, pre-printed, and blank peel-off stickers to identify what products and models are in the pit and labels for the power cords. Simply place the right label in the proper spot. Then, when service is needed in the future, the homeowner can easily examine the front panel of the box and tell you what pumps and accessories they have and when each component was installed. Getting the information up front means the service tech can bring the parts needed. Multiple mounting holes are molded into the box to easily secure it to the wall or stud. Please be sure to bring the proper anchors you need based on the mounting surface. Once the box is mounted, simply fish one end of the cord through the foam, bundle the wire inside the box, and feed the other end out of the box. Next, label the cord so your customer can see at a glance what cord is associated with component. Repeat the process until all cords are bundled and labeled. Make sure to close the box, which has a self-locking tab. Don't forget to leave your mark by placing your company's sticker in the Installed By section. Keep your customer happy. Don't leave an unorganized mess. The best solution, the Pro Series Cord Management Box.